Hello everyone, maayong buntag, maayong gabi, maayong udto wherever you are on this part of the world. This is Arjo Carino Turner, Josephine Arjo Carino Turner, based here sa Atlanta, pero originally from South Cotabato, specifically Polomolok, General Santos City, and of course, my beloved Sarangani province. So welcome to the International Consulting LLC Leadership Speaker Series. I'm gonna share my screen para mas nindot ang ato ang paghanay aning unsa ning ato ang topic for the day. I've been having this presentation since January of this year, and every month I am featuring a leader from different backgrounds, and I am here in the USA, but most of my speakers are based in the Philippines. So ano ba itong International Leadership Speaker Series? It highlights mga accomplishments ng leaders who are driving community development and people empowerment through monthly interviews. This year-long initiative aims to inspire action, share best practices, and equip audiences with practical insights to foster collaboration and create meaningful impact. So, wala na siyang pinaka-gist on why I am trying to do this for different speakers for each month na highlight. Ang objectives ani niya is of course inspire action, highlight best practices and foster collaboration, empower communities, and of course, celebrate leadership. So mauni siya ang pinaka-core na theme along with the discussion for each of the speaker that I'm engaging each month. And this month, this person is not a stranger to me at all. Ya, pareho kayo mi og last name. On my maiden surname is actually Carino. Tawag na ko sa iya ani Uyuan Bing. And he is
Mhm.
best known as Bing Carino of General Santos City. Nag-iisa lang. You can always like to, kinsa nga Bing Carino, General Santos City, o mauna na siya. So today, ang pinaka-topic na ho kay Bing is about weaving culture and creativity. The life work of Leonardo Ray Salazar, ang iyahang S, Carino, in Philippine arts, education, and theater. Napagid ay na side bit ana. Of course, may mga political insights po na siya. Dili gid na mawala kasi it's all part of all of this governance policies, how you're able to influence your communities, your leaders. So I'm so blessed to really like have being Carino and to share about himself just very briefly, no. Kari siya artistic director sa Ambahanon. And that's how I came to know him first in Sarangani province when I was working in Sarangani province. And then he's also a teacher with Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges. And then at that time when I was in Sarangani province, we've done some collaboration sa mga projects. He been to our exhibit back in 2025 when we did the Munato Festival na exhibition, cultural exhibit, and he was really interested. And we have so many cultural friends. We work on so many other projects, especially when I was already here in the USA. Mabaltabi, we will discuss about this later on. Also, collaboration and helping Hans Brandeis, German ethnomusicologist friend namo nga, who is into so much into both lutes. Of course, his love for dance, for theater, all of these things. We're gonna be talking about that kay Bing, but I wanted him to share more about himself. So here is Leonardo Bing Carino to talk more about himself. Bing, please do the honor of sharing who you are, what inspired you, how has this upbringing of yours impacted your passion and everything.
Yes, katulad na sinabi mo kanina, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I know that you have a wide following, no? Because yeah, our engagement hindi lang like sa ating dalawa, no? We cross the ocean, no? The doing things together. So yeah, I'm known as being in in my work, sa school, sa arts community. But yeah, I'm Leonardo. I know my friends now from high school and elementary, they call me Leonardo. And then when people call me Bing, I know that this is my professional work na because ang haba-haba kasi nung pangalan yan, so mas madali yung Bing. No? And yung traction ng Bing marami, no? If you Google, pareho, Bing Carino, Leonardo Carino, it will appear. Because hindi naman high profile, siguro we live in a world na super connected na. No?
Mm.
That's why we can afford to multitask. So
Yes.
speaking of multitasking, I'm a trained interior designer who still practices the craft. No, I'm graduated from UP and passed the board, number 4. Tapos pagdating sa Jensen, wala masyadong nakakilala sa interior design, no, at that time. So kaya ako naging diversified kasi I cannot just these are new things, no? But back then in 2000 and late 90s, hindi pa alam ng mga taga Jensen what interior design is, no? So you have to explain na it's inside an architecture. Sabi nga nila na pag binaliktad mo yung bahay, everything that falls is
Mm.
interior design. Pero syempre hindi yan ganun kasi ang design hindi lang siya physical, no? Ako ang ano ko ang approach sa design is mass psychological, no?
Mm.
How the people perceive a space. So diyan ako nagde-design. That's why you can feel you can feel my personality or my touch in my work, pero pag sinabi mong pare-pareho it does not come the same, no,
Mm.
kasi ang dami-dami namang pwedeng ma-imagine, no? Sabi ko nga sa dance troupe ko, the limit to your creativity is your imagination.
Mm.
So tayong mga creatives dapat we have that tool, no, yung imagination. So aside from design, which takes up siguro very few of, sabi ko nga, this is my my ano racket sideline, no?
Yung
Although
sa
it
imong sideline ang
it pays a
profession.
lot, no? Yeah, yan yung pinag-aralan ko. So sabi ng tatay ko, sayang naman hindi i-practice. Pero when I was in college, parang ano ko, yung mas marami akong interest,
Mm.
no? This picture na nakita natin, this is also one of my engagement, no? I'm also a cultural worker, no? Aside from design, siguro 30% of my work is on cultural work. So I've been in with NCCA for siguro 5 terms. One term with the Committee on Visual Art. And then sabi ko, mas educator yata ako kaysa sa ano, mas cultural educator ako kaysa sa visual artist, no. Although marami rin akong projects at saka achievements sa visual art. And because it is also an offshoot of my training as interior designer, which is, sabi nga nila, ang interior design is applied art. So sabi ko, punta tayo muna konti sa pure art. So, um, ang involvement ko with cultural education is because I teach also in a community college, no? Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges, which is the only employment that I had
Mm.
since. No, because yung pag-uwi ko ng Jensen, I did freelancing sa interior design. Tapos sabi ko, ang hirap-hirap naman ng freelance, wala kang base.
Mhm.
So when RMMC invited me to teach, sabi ko, sige, this is perfect kasi I will have a base, no? Parang um, natatakot ako sa freelancing. It's so
So
loose, no?
unpredictable and
Tapos
then just
I'm the
something.
kind of person na walang discipline. So minsan nakikita ko sa sarili ko na 1 week na akong hindi pumupunta sa projects kasi hindi ko feel. Whereas sa school, you need to go there, time in, time out, no? So you have that discipline. So that was in 2000. So sabi ko sa RMMC, part-time lang kasi they need an art teacher. Kasi
Mm-mm.
bagong bukas yung humanities, no, arts appreciation. Tapos wala silang makitang faculty. And then they heard na merong somebody from UP who came back with an interior design portfolio. So sabi ko sige. Kasi in UP, I'm also part of the dance troupe, UP Filipiniana. Tapos, I have been doing visual art workshop, kung ano-ano. Lahat ng 7 arts, pinasok ko. Na dance, theater, um, visual art, design. Tapos, itong friend ko na architect, sabi niya, di ba you're also doing visual art? Sabi ko, "Oh, yes, drafting, ganun." Sabi niya, sige, I'll schedule you for a one-man show in Cotabato. Sabi ko, oh, akala ko na he was joking. And then suddenly sabi niya, Uy, the cafe is opening in a month. So do you have already the works? I told you 3 months ago. Ganyan sabi ko, sige. S- I tried to beat the deadline. So I find this style, the one you're flashing, is yung technique niya is very quick. No, number one, quick drying enamels, um, which is very hard material to work with because it's quick drying. So number two, it's toxic. No? So you really need to work fast. Kaya ganyan ang naging itsura niyan. Hindi yan accidental, but that is technical. That's the way you should handle that material. No? So hindi siya pwedeng super realist because hindi mo mahabol. No? Tapos, syempre, kailang impress of time, I need to do 12 paintings in a month. So, it should be fast. Like, siguro you have to finish uh, one work in 3 days. Pero the way I work, pareha nito, no, this is a series of families. So, you have the mother, father, the mother and child. So, ang ginagawa ko niyan, I prepare all the canvas and then I sketch and then I work on them simultaneously while one I'm trying to dry, nag-start ako sa kabila, ganyan, ganyan. So, matapos ko yung interior series in a month, no? Um, naging style ko. I think successful naman siya because I have a lot of invitation. Tapos ngayon nga marami naghahanap. I cannot paint just now kasi nga 'di ba of health reason, and itong material na ito, itong enamel is very toxic. So I don't think I can come back to that. Pero
Oh.
nag-try ako maghanap ng alternative. Which naman meron din akong nagawa. I think na-flash mo kanina yung I was in Sweden. No, that is material na doon ko pinaint sa Sweden, sa Uppsala when I was doing my studies in Uppsala.
So, yeah.
Tapos this one, no? So we were in Uppsala studying language, heritage, and genetics. Sabi mo malayo sa field. But actually, it is important yung study na kita ko because like hindi na ako nakasama sa second round na nandun sa Tartu, sa Estonia. Doon meron naman silang ethnobotany. Actually, the project is to map the movement of people. Na so doon ko naintindihan yung the communities that I work with, the Tagakaulos, the Blaans, the Tibolis. No, na these are heritage of movement of people around Southeast Asia, yung Austronesian movement. No? So, lumalim ang intindi. Tapos sabi ko, ito na naman, itong mga conference, pasayawin, pakantahin na naman tayo. Sabi ko, ayoko. Kung art lang, sabi ko, I will do an exhibit there. So, nagdala ko ng canvas and then I made all this doon sa
That's
Sweden,
nice.
no? We have
Yeah.
an apartment. Kami ni Toto ang roommate,
Yes.
another from Sarangani. Tapos, doon sa balcony, doon ako nagpipaint. Natapos ko siya in 2 months. Sabi ko nga, mabilis ako magtrabaho. Pero actually, nasimulan ko yan siya a month before before the exhibition. No? Kasi interesting masyado yung klase, ang dami-daming makita mga lugar. So inuna ko muna yung La Mierda bago yung work. Anyway, I know naman my pace in working. So natapos ko itong series na ito of almost 20 canvases. No, I left them in Sweden. So meron akong works all around
International.
all around Uppsala, no?
Uppsala.
And actually binigay namin yan sa mga professors namin na from Germany, from Czech Republic. So dala-dala nila yan.
That is very interesting, Bing.
Mm.
And I think I'm always fascinated of not one thing is the same. When you create an artwork, I am so happy and blessed to have one. This is one of your rotonda, I think, pieces. I am blessed to have one of these pieces. Nasa Jansan pa siya. So, ako pa siya
Uh-huh.
in route, paabot din on how to, kasi I'm thinking of the risk ba nga ma-damage on the international transportation. But
Balik ka sa slide, yung tricycles. I want
as
to
a
talk about
tricycle.
that.
Okay, sure, yes, this one.
Oh.
So
Mhm.
what's the inspiration of this? May naaba ni siya karang mga
Hindi, ano ito? This is a
artist.
pandemic work, no?
Uh-huh.
When the lockdown was imposed, wala akong magawa. Na I'm an artist, tapos wala namang interior design ng time na yun, wala tayong work. No, we are just in the house, locked in, 'di ba? So wala ring materials. Ang materials na meron ay dahil designer ako, at saka ang mabukas lang ng tindahan is hardware, yung mga essentials, no,
Uh-huh.
hardware, grocery, butika. So, sabi ko, saan ako kukuha ng material? So, these are sandpaper, no? Oo, so these are oil stick on sandpaper. So, wala siyang ambisyon. No, I just did one tricycle, then two tricycles, and three, four, and it grew to 200 plus tricycle, and then I named the series Mintoda. This is award winning, no? NCCA Visual Art awarded this as one of the best pandemic works.
Mm.
Tapos this is also featured sa Mindanao Art Fair ni Kublai. Nung
Mm.
nakita niya, isa, dalawa, 10. Sa pag ito dumami, sabi niya ito ang featured work. So this is I was featured artist sa Mindanao Art Fair because of this work,
And there's
no?
also a
Sabi
t-shirt
ko hindi ko
about this.
siya.
I'm seeing t-shirts printed with your design, with this
Yeah,
Mindanao
ang
designs.
nakakatuwa dito, it's been interpreted in a lot of materials na hindi lang siya painting, no? Mugs, tapos t-shirts, tapos merong isang fashion designer collaborated with me, Jensen fashion designer si Garvey, no? Tapos si ano rin, lumabas din to as pandemic mask
Oh.
kay Kublai, no? So exciting na work. Kaya lang hirap balikan because this is um gusto ko kasi this is Mintoda or Mindanao Tricycles. Di ba the TODA is
Yes,
Tricycle
yes.
Association Drivers.
Drivers,
TODA.
yeah.
Tricycles Operators and Drivers
Drivers
Association.
association,
So
yes.
Mindanao TODA.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, I want to make Phil TODA, no? Philippine Tricycles,
Philippine.
ganyan. No, so all over the Philippines. Kami sa NCC Ed, parang ang next naming parang project na gawin is Philippine Transportation. Kasi ang ginawa ni Carlo ngayon, food production.
Mm.
Tapos meron na rin kaming weaving last time. So sabi na, the next series siguro is transportation. Focusing on this. No? Ito
Before
rin pala
pa,
naging cover ng book.
before
Naging
pa
cover ng book ng
mag-vanish.
CCP.
Yes.
Naging cover ng book ng NCCA. Ang dami nitong ganap na nangyari.
Do you keep the
I'm proud of
originals,
this.
Bing? Do you keep your originals? Kari siyang original ni mo nga
No,
karong.
ang ideal niyan, sabi ko, para maging Philtoda, taguin ko yung 200 plus gagawa ako ng 200 for Visayas, ng 200 for Luzon, 600. Na
Aha.
I'm trying to fill a big wall sa cultural center. Pero
Aha.
cultural center is renovated, so wala yung wall ngayon. So siguro
Mm.
pagbukas nun, mabuo ko itong Philtoda na, Philippine
Oh,
Tricycles.
exciting,
Walang
exciting.
naiwan because ang iba sabi niya, isa lang, gawa ka na lang ulit to fill it up. Sabi ko, if I break it, sabi ko, ang hirap-hirap na yan siyang i-fill up kasi 200.
Oo.
Nawala ang isa, nawala ang 10, merong ubos na siya ngayon. All 200,
Sold
no?
out. Well,
Sold out
uh,
siya.
masyadong ano yun, blessed yung only 200 kasi unique. Wala silang katulad, similar
It
but
cannot
not the
be, it
same.
cannot be the same. Kasi
Yes.
ang ganda-ganda, ang background niyan, pinataka eh. No?
So being
So
during
anyway,
the
let's
time when
leave that.
during the time when nag-pandemic, what's the bulb light na nag-spark sa imuha nga dahil sa imuha nga kabordo?
I've been doing this one piece no pag merong quick na regalo, ayan pinakamadaling gawin, no? So naalala ko siya nung pandemic, na sabi ko, "Oy, may sandpaper, may hardware, pwedeng bumili ng wala kang mabiling canvas, sirado ang mga stores.
Mm.
Pero merong hardware kasi essential daw 'yan ng time na 'yon. So nakakabili ng sandpaper. So sampu-sampu, maliit na maliit katulad ng ng philosophy ko sa buhay, no, na siguro ma-articulate natin na hindi ko niyayakap ang mundo. Um, Bits and pieces na achievable yun siya. Tapos siguro nung isa kung nakita mo lately, I've been posting old pictures. No, tapos tiningnan ko sa ko, akala ko lang pala ang buhay ko ay boring. At tiningnan ko yung post, ang ganda-ganda naman pala ng mga
Oh,
nangyayari. Kasi
yeah,
ang a no? I'm
yeah, a
also a
lot.
curator pala to not to
Yes,
mention na
yes.
I
So
fill up the galleries because I'm an artist, but I'm
mm,
also a curator, curating other people's work. No,
yep.
madalas dahil wala tayong museum sa Soxargen, puro siya pop-up. No,
Uh-huh.
yung exhibits like nakita mo yung mga exhibit natin sa malls, no? Pero it is also a strategy, 'di ba? Diniscuss natin yan noon. So ko no, we will put these things in where people are. Kaya doon tayo
Yes,
nag-exhibit nung Yabing
yes,
sa all the Yabing exhibits are in SM.
yes,
Because kasi kung ilagay mo sa ibang like sa school, hindi masyado makita ng karamihan. Pero sa mall, there is the audience there. So go where the audience are. That
yes.
would be best. No?
But also that's the power
So
of your
ito
project.
siya, gagawin ko ulit. We have a conference in Bali sa July. Yung yung paintings na ginawa ko sa Uppsala.
Mm.
Mag-exhibit din ako nun sa Bali. Pero this time, yung ethnobotany,
Oh,
no? So I will talk about the tinalak, the tabi, that it all came from nature, from the
yes.
fabric sa galing
Yes,
siya
I
sa
see.
Musa Textilis.
Yes, yes.
Tapos the dye stuff that comes from Canalum, from
We're gonna talk
all
more
this
about that on the section where
mm,
we're gonna focus on those parts. And of course, you are
yeah.
always speakers for lots of resource textiles. Very recently, we're gonna.
Hindi naman lots. I can talk sa dance extensively, especially contemporary dance. So I also do that. Tapos
Mm,
yeah. This one is the national folk dance na invite din ako na Anyway, aside from pursuing interior design in UP, I was also member of UP Filipiniana. So
mm,
dance troupe siya. Na
mm,
doon ko nakita first time ang tabi,
mm.
tinalak, pero I did not recognize them. Akala ko ganun lang. No,
Really?
only when we did yabing for Gama ba that I
Yes,
realized na these are meron ito sa
important.
culture natin. At tinalak alam ko na yun na kasi famous naman ang tinalak na.
Famous, yeah, but not the
No.
blood
So
tags.
this one I was sitting with two experts, no, si Labaw at saka si Patrick. Si Patrick sa center is I know him for a long time. He's also UP Filipiniana. We went to Europe together in 92.
Oh,
No. So I
awesome.
saw the picture kanina, no.
Um,
Contemporary dance, since sa next slide mo, prenump mo na
yeah,
ako,
now we're gonna
no.
shift into one of your hearts and passion. Naputol si This is Beauty. Naputol kasi mahaba sa all
Oo,
you
kasi
dance, all you
mahaba si
dance.
Beauty.
With this, but now we're gonna
Oo.
shift into your hat as the Teatro Ambahanon director and founder. Explain us being, unsa ning Teatro Ambahanon being, where it started and where it is going.
Teatro
Specific.
Ambahanon
Mm-hmm.
is now a dance company.
Mm-hmm.
Pero previously it's a musical theater company,
Oh, okay.
no? So we started in 2000 with the some musicals that we wrote. So these are original rock operas, no? We did four materials. Then ang pinakamahirap i-maintain are dancers. They really have to
Yeah.
train every day.
Yep.
So, ako napunta ako sa training of dancers. Tapos yung colleagues ko, na-assign sa training of musicians. Tapos yung isa, writes. So,
Mm-hmm.
nandun siya sa development sana ng mga script. So, yung dalawa, they lost interest somehow. Siguro away-away yung time na yun, kay mga bata pa kami. Ako ang naiwan, and the dance troupe. So, Teatro Ambahanon became a dance troupe. Ang pangalan nga, teatro, so theater of songs. Ambahanon
Mm-hmm.
is song, no?
Ah.
Ambahan in Ilonggo. So, it's a theater of songs dapat.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, nakuha ko yun kasi we used to be Dulang RMMC, pero very Dulang UP. Sabi ko, we have to change names. So,
Mm-hmm.
nung ginawa namin yung aming second rock opera, na-mention doon ang Ambahanon sang Kapispisan kasi Ilonggo siya. No, I
Oh.
wrote it in English and it was translated in Ilonggo. Tapos, all the songs were in Ilonggo.
So
So,
is
one of the
teatro,
lyrics of the song,
uh-huh.
ah,
Is Teatro Ambahanon connected to RMMC? Is RMMC its host institution, academic institution? Just like
yes,
KE is
we are
MSU.
we used to be the resident company of one of the colleges, 'di ba? RMMC Colleges man pangalan namin din ng
Okay.
college. So, one of the colleges, ano kami, resident company. Hindi ko siya binibigay sa buong RMMC before kasi
Mm.
contest-contest mo yung college. So, doon ako sa
Ah,
College of Arts and Sciences. So, yun yung aming group for
okay.
competitions. Tapos, nag-change ng dean, ayaw niya nung direction ko na may mga ganyan.
Mhm.
Sabi ko, ay sayang naman to kung patayin natin. So, ibigay lang natin sa school. So, it became the official theater group of Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges.
Oh.
For 15 years now, no, mga ganun. Matagal na rin na ano na siya, supported by the school. So we have scholarships. And this you see is one of our advocacies, which is teaching dance sa SPA. Kasi ang Teatro Ambahan nun, ang kanyang philosophy is, ang kanyang mission is artist development, audience development, and repertory development.
Mhm.
So, sabay-sabay namin ginagawa yan. Gumagawa kami ng repertory. Ibig sabihin, meron kaming pondo na maraming dances and researches. No? So, may repertoire kami of siguro more than 200 pieces now. Kasi students submit 10 to 20 a year, no?
Oh.
Of original compositions. Sa aming competition, yung Director's Prize.
Yeah.
Tapos, we also develop audience. Kasi sabi ko, hindi mabuhay ang company without its audience. So, may audience
Yes.
development.
And
Tapos,
it's
syempre, yung core is artist.
artistic, yeah. It's so
Mhm.
amazing though. The thing is that you just did not build up really artists, but really successful educators that gives back in wherever they are. Look, Julius Lagare is one part of Teatro Ambahanon, as I believe, and we met Julius here. We were able to host him when he
Mm.
was like on his time when he was here in Atlanta, and now he is in
Oo.
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Mhm.
So he is also
Teaching
teaching,
in an American school.
yeah, in
Mm.
dance. So the impact
Yeah.
of Teatro Ambahanon and its alumni is beyond the borders of RMMC and beyond the borders of General Santos City. And I believe like Beauty has won national awards. Something with the
Yes. Mm.
CCPP,
Wi-Fi.
engagement.
Julius also won in
That's
the national
international.
awards.
Yes. So they've
National,
they've
international.
they've gained national and international recognitions. but they always also
Hmm.
give back and their roots on how they started with Teatro Ambahanon.
Kaya maraming nagre-recruit sa kanila and they come home.
Mm-hmm.
Gusto nila yung katulong ko sila sa pag-promote ng
Mm-hmm.
especially now na hindi ko na halos maasikaso because of health, it still continues, no? So, nandiyan na sila Beauty, nandiyan na sila Hosen.
Mm-hmm.
Si Hosen, nagbuo na siya ng actually we train leaders as well. Si
Mm-hmm.
Hosen, meron siya na ngayon ang ano ng Philippine ano ito, break dance, become an Olympic sports. So he's working all over the country promoting breakdancing as a sport. So
Mm-hmm.
ang dami niyang schools. Nag-open lang siya ng school sa Marikina, nag-open siya sa Butuan, meron sa Jensen. So we also train leaders, no? So
Yes.
siguro sa legacy of the kind of teaching or the kind of teaching philosophy that I use, tuto sila to do that. Hindi naman sinasadya.
What's the happiness of that
Mm.
for you being as the as you know that shows a lot of leadership that you have inspired so many people to take action. What is that feeling to you like?
It's a sense of accomplishment kasi you don't want your projects to stop,
Mm-hmm.
no? So karamihan ng mga tao ko doing things that parang extension ko. They are doing things on their own. Yung XB, no? They have a community. Nanalo rin sila sa national.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, yeah. I think yun yung gusto kong mangyari. That's why hindi kami dance troupe,
Mm-hmm.
no? We are choreographers community. Iba yun,
And
no? It's
the
just so
bonding,
happen na wala kaming dance.
yeah, and the
Ha?
bonding also being is you all you know the fun. I'm only just seeing photos, but I can sense the fun and the family. And now you even call yourself as being lolo because some of them have got married and or have kids,
Mm-mm.
and now you have so many kids, so
Grandchildren.
grandkids, grandchildren.
Yes.
That
36.
30, and then you are counting 36. So the blessing of the
36.
Lord.
Last count.
Yeah, what
This
a
one
big
is in
blessing.
this one is in Manila.
Uh-huh.
Sa International Dance Day. No,
Mm-hmm.
this is the work of giveaway. No, but I present the work of these kids. Hindi yung mga piyesa ko ang nakikita nila. Very few ang piyesa kong nilalabas. Kasi mostly I just teach. No, I don't choreograph anymore. So I don't have time. Kasi sila, mga choreographers naman, ito sila lahat na.
Mm-hmm.
So yun, dala niya yung sayaw ni giveaway. Ito yung dancers na itong lima. No? Dancing alongside UP,
Mm-hmm.
Lasal, ganyan-ganyan. No, so somehow naririnig-rinig din tayo from Jensen in the national scene.
And that is very important, you know, at the latest nga, yung sabi nila Sub-Saharan Mindanao, which has becoming so many,
Hoy,
so,
sub
some, so many artistic.
Sub-Saharan Mindanao na advance ang contemporary natin doon.
Correct. So,
Mm.
you know how it is in the Philippines.
Pero
We
mukha
pride,
kaming Sub-Saharan talaga, Arjo.
huh?
Because we don't have money. So, tingnan mo, ang suot ng mga batang yan, ukay. No? Hindi
Oh.
yan, yes, ang aesthetics namin ukay.
Mm,
Um, ang training ko sa mga bata, wag nating pamahalin, no?
yes.
Yung inato na
Inato
which
dance.
is nagkaroon siya ng sarili niyang texture
Yes.
and siguro aesthetics at saka style, no, na different from the rest.
Yep.
Pero
Yep.
actually, ganun lang yan. Mangukay lang itong mga bata na mga sa ukay-ukay, tig G's,
Yes.
tig 20. And they
Yes.
look fabulous in
They look
stage.
fabulous. They look fabulous. Speaking of fabulosity, I know you love textiles so much. So I'm flashing one of these things that you
Yeah,
got
this is a
over here.
work of one of the the weavers that we support from Barm. Ito
Mhm.
siya ang kita mo, ang all four techniques kasi sa master, no, all four
Mhm.
techniques nandiyan sa isang malong ikat, tapestry, plain weave at saka sukip or yung supplementary. The techniques that exist in Inol. So Ang galing-galing ng batang yan. Muammar is 20 plus, 26 yata.
So he
Mm.
did this one?
Yes.
Oh
Mm.
my God. I thought that he was just a person like having photo with you because so many are taking photo with you. But
Ano,
he
this is
did
not this is not
that.
Muammar. This is a researcher from the
A
north, si
researcher.
Bernard.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero
So, but
the Malong is from
Malong.
ano, later pag ma-flash mo baka makita natin si Muammar.
Okay, let me see.
Mm.
But well, in
Yun sa mga
transition to
male
that
weavers.
one, you've said earlier, the role of your home institution is really Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges. This is one of those moments. Actually, this is one of your students that you have assigned to document the works, the initial works. She was actually the first kind of community-based researcher that
Mhm.
covered Fuya Bing's tabih work, and I think this was an emotional moment for her. And then Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges also transitions to become like itong Sinablay. So if you can share about all of this as I flash these photos together with the role at
Well,
this time
ano,
of RMMC.
R RMMC is a family-owned business,
Mm-hmm.
no? Pero ang nakaganda sa kanila, they are number one, ano ha, I think alam mo naman na nandiyan si Beauty. Beauty is ano, 'di ba? Sa gender ni Beauty, very fluid.
Mm-hmm.
Um, ano kami, I think we're advanced sa ganyan, no? Transgender, wala kaming discrimination. We have the students in our, ano, it's a very safe place
Mm-hmm.
for expression. Tapos, it's just so happen na kung sports person ka, you will be supported. Just so happen na ako arts, no? Tapos si
Correct.
Pia, the owner's wife, is
Mm-hmm.
also an advocate of kita naman natin early on she was also with us no, in the
Mm-hmm.
promotion of the weaves.
Yes.
So itong sa likod, that is the Sinablay. No,
Mm-hmm.
it's parang commitment ng RMMC sa weaving communities. We
Mm-hmm.
have the Blaan weavers in Marbel. We have the Tinalak weavers sa Lake Cebu. We have Inol weavers from Malapatan, tapos yung sa tawag nito ah, sa BARM, yung nakapakita mo kanina with the literature. These
Mm-hmm.
are woven by Muammar. That one. Ito dito
Yes.
sa nakasuot sa barong,
Uh-huh.
no? Itong ano, yan, this one is made by Muammar. So we are
Wow.
half of the year, the weavers are busy fulfilling our orders. So it's
Mm-hmm.
part of RMMC's commitment to support local craftsmanship. Hindi namin mayakap lahat-lahat, ang dami-dami nila, pero somehow we make busy these SLTs, no?
Okay.
Dati ang aming marble used to be supplied by Barbara Ofong, but
Mm-hmm.
when she became Gamaba, hindi na pwedeng i-alter yung work ng Gamaba. So we
Uh-huh.
changed to Agustin, a male weaver.
Mm-hmm.
So karamihan ng ano namin work, male weaver ang gumawa. This
Oh,
one made by in Malapatan. Tapos the only blaan there is the shoulder pad,
shoulder pad.
no?
Yes.
Ideally it's supposed to be tabi, pero 'di ba ilan lang silang weaver. They
Yes.
cannot they cannot
They cannot.
produce for like 1,500 graduates.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi nila ma-produce. It's a slow thing.
Mm-hmm.
Sa tinalak nga ng Marbel, parang 30 weavers ang nag-commit to supply na mas konti ang Marvel.
Mm-hmm.
So kung Jensen hindi nila. So this is printed, no? Merong question diyan ngayon na hindi dapat piniprint. Pero hindi man mas-supply. 'Di ba? Ang importante it's a blaan motif. The one at the shoulder, no? Yang ano na yan, yung black thing.
Once.
Ah, ano yan siya, yun yung buhaya ni Yabing.
Yes. Yes.
Pero nung present namin sa Jensen Blaan, ayaw nila ng buhaya. So sabi nila, pwede bang tanggalin yung ulo tapos magiging shield siya, tawag natin klung. mukha rin naman na siyang shield. Kung wala ng ulo at buntot nung ano nung nung buhaya. So,
So this
ang ang symbolism niyan is klung,
clue.
no?
Mhm.
So, up pa rin kasi binago nila ang literature. Ang sabi, parang a graduate is a protector of the culture, no?
Mhm.
So, mga ganong narrative. Kasi
Messaging.
yung buhaya pa, it's the symbol of royalty man yun, di
Mhm.
ba?
So, yeah, but this is one of the earliest. I think this is the very first project Bing that was funded by the NCCA with respect to our goal at that particular time in 2014.
Oo, first, pero nung naging gama ba na, siyempre, all the activities are NCCA na,
Siena.
di
Yeah,
ba?
so but this
Pero we
one
were
is the first
struggling that
one.
time.
Yes,
Oo.
this one, like it was August 23 in 2015. That's like after a year after we did the Mabal exhibition. So again,
Yeah.
they're
And
flashing this
still
one,
3 years before the
the
declaration.
declaration. It took a
3 years
process,
before she
but
won.
we were able to achieve our goal to popularize tabi. Pretty much that is our goal when we did the when we did the ano ba to? Natanggal na yung close this one. And so this one is one when you visited the National Museum, you saw her one of the works there.
Project mo pa
And
yan, di ba?
then this was the big first big project natin for Fuyabing, and we're very thankful for Kim Tiblani. We know how all last minute changes and everything, plus the role of Sarangani province, especially in making this exhibition happen. Governor Steve Solon, then you, hindi ko alam kung as wala si Carlo sa photo na ito, but Carlo was very instrumental as well. You, Carlo Bing Carino,
Hindi
honoring
yata
this
maten si Carlo
national.
niyan. She was in Korea
Oh, I think
that
then
time.
Miss Michelle, First Lady Miss Michelle of Sarangani Province, Vice Governor Jinky Pacquiao then, and representatives from the city of General Santos City. And the goal of this Mabalblaan, as far as I know, as I recall, is really just to popularize Blaan Tabi, because even though it is in South Cotabato and in Sarangani Province, pero it is not known. What is really known in weaving sa atin is that bolit nalak. So this was a very
Nalak.
great initiative. And then after that, Mabaltabi in 2014, we also created the Blaan Mabaltabi Facebook page,
Mhm.
primarily to feature the works of Foya Bing, because we have an end goal of nominating her to the Gamaba. And it all worked
Mhm.
out. So this is also part of the work that you have done. The Kanfulong Bai, which is a part, as you said, SMCT, kudos to SMCT for embracing all of the exhibitions related to, they played a very big role, and RMMC. This was the
Yes,
last
so that's my
activity
madam.
that we all did prior to your nomination for Fuyabing.
And
Kasi
this
this
is
was
the
right.
exhibition of the nomination kit.
Yes, the nomination, yung
No.
nomination na niya. And
All
then
the literature in this exhibition are submitted in the nomination kit.
yes, these are also this
Mm.
for everyone. There's really the role of the academic institution. Fuyabing did not just appear to be, to be the gamaba. There's a process. Someone has to nominate her. And actually, it took some time because Bing is not the first one to actually being asked to nominate. We were eyeing for somebody else, but masyadong busy ang schedule niya at that time. So Bing, daghan kaayong salamat, kay alam ko super busy ang schedule mo, but you went on to do it anyway, and you are more knowledgeable because you did a whole lot of series of exhibitions that focused on her work, and it all worked out great.
Oh, well, ako naman ang nagpapasalamat because itong naging expert ako sa weaving. So to speak, no? People ask me to lecture on these things. So kung mga UP ang nag-a-ask sa iyo to lecture in international conferences, I think you are somehow knowledgeable about these things. Yun. So I also
Mhm.
sa convenience na it's in my lap, I proposed this to be my thesis as a
Mm,
master's, which I
yes.
worked for 7 years, no? Hindi yun
We're
madali.
gonna talk about that one later. So these are just featuring
Mm.
some out of so many for people to know na mahagilap ko. Then we were able to have finally si Fuya Bing became a Gamaba, a big achievement for collective achievement for her. And I would really say the people behind that we've collaborated for this, you, Carlo, Emmy Ingles, Sarangani Province, Municipal Mayor Hani Lumayag Mati at
Mhm.
that time, and part of the General Santos City, the support for those people that you have engaged the city. And finally, of course, ang ating fuyabing with our beloved Tatay Digong Duterte. And then, this is so
Mhm.
pivotal moment because if you remember the necklace that the president was wearing, Fuya Bing was so ashamed of not being able to give anything. What can she give to the president? So I think right after the president gave, before this photo op, she gave the president the slough or the necklace that was done from Amguo village. And this is Auntie Lamina, the daughter, and this is Fuya Bing during the conferment at Malacanang. So Shialan ha, she is the only one in our family member being matsugi na siguro ta, pero si Fuya Bing every year birthday niya, death anniversary commemorated for forever,
Yes.
you know.
Mhm.
It is something, we have to celebrate this na behind the scene naging part ta sa big achievement niya na. So sabi ko, she is the most famous one from our clan, from Pulamurok
Hintayin
Pamamurok.
na lang natin na ma-feature siya sa stamp like the
Yes,
rest of the Gama ba. Mm.
yes. And then
Si ano, si Gamayo was featured, si Salintamon nun was featured
oh,
in the stamp.
awesome. I think it will just
So
be
I'm sure merong isang araw na she will also appear in the
she will
stamp.
also be. And she's beautiful. And of course, Big, she loves you so much. And this was like part, of course, of this one. So we were able to not only popularize Tabi locally, that was our goal noong 2014. But when she became Gamaba, everybody was just really like trying to rush to know her. Development in her community has become fast. Remember the roads, the fast tracking of the
Yeah.
road construction going to Amguo and everything, and she could not care less. The thing with her is like she did. I don't really know, even maybe to the last of her days being, her heart is still on the basic things, the basic food that she likes, the happiness and stuff,
Yun
and she
nga,
was dedicated
I,
in
f-
so many
I find this funny ba na to the Gama ba, importante pa rin yung community work, ganyan. Pero ginagawa silang rockstar,
mm.
no? Which is yun ang hindi ko gustong aspeto ng ano na ito,
Or if it is not maybe
award.
them, it's the after effect, like the media jumping into it, tapos yung sinasakyan ba, then lahat-lahat na lang ng
Mm.
interview. And she complained to me at one point na she's getting irritated because she could not even get up. She could not even do her personal
Mhm.
things because the influx of so many people na bigla ba siya, hindi niya ina-expect. Tapos yung
Mhm.
kanyang yung click camera here, click here, click here there. So may trauma naman good ni siya Bing. You know already her personal story. There's a personal story of her on why we really supported her. It's because of that background that she lost trust, especially for people just taking photos of her, interviewing her, and then she would not even know what are they doing to do with that material afterwards. So look at us,
Mhm.
trying to take photos, pero si Fuya Bing, oh, why pakialam, move on, move on sa
Oh,
whatever she
work.
loves doing. So, mga photo siya, bahala ka mag-photo-photo kayo dyan, pero ako dito, trabaho lang ako. But she really felt the love and the designing, and this is her favorite scarf that I brought, that was from Bernard. So some of this our last visit together, big, this was very
Yeah.
memorable. This was like around, I think, January 4 of 2020 when we all came up. Carlo could not join us again kay bisihar ang Carlo.
Mm.
So here's Emmy Ingles, you and me. This is the last tabi that she gave me. This is purely a gift. The other tabi collections I've had, I paid for it. This one is a really a love gift. Her thank you, the blouse that she wore in here, I gave it to her. Everything. I think kay Fuya Bing, it's yung love and appreciation ba. So she smiles so much for people. Look at this. I really love this smile. She smiles so much purely for people. Alam niya Bing kung sino yung mga tao na totoo sa kanya. Of all of these
Mm.
experiences, alam niya, pag fake lang yung smile niya, karang napilitan lang ba siya? But pag karang hapsay kayo siya og smile, that means she is really like comfortable with you as a person. And look at this. I think this is your first meeting together in Manila when she was already a Gama ba? It is an NCCA event, something?
Likha.
Likha.
Sa Likha
Then,
Museum yung
yeah.
ito
So this was,
I'm with her. Kami yata ni Kublay ang kasama niya nito.
yes,
Ang
yes.
kasama ko. Mm.
Yeah, so this is in her weaving space, and again, it's a part of what we've done. This is on her one of her last days on Earth being, and then you were able to visit her and gave her some stuff to make her.
Yeah, I was hesitant because that's the height of COVID, no?
The height
Tapos
of
may sakit na siya, pero hindi naman pwedeng hindi ko siya puntahan that time because I delivered the yung
Pati
pati chair.
pati chair. And
Mm.
that was really very helpful for her kasi hindi na siya masyadong makagalaw talaga at that particular time.
Mm.
And is this your last piece of work from her?
Yan yung regalo niya sa akin.
Mm. So she was also
Mm.
like very, very thankful. So, being it's just really on her last few days, we've engaged very, very few people. I also have to note former governor Sarangani, si Migs Dominguez. You and him has really helped a lot on these last days of just bringing stuff, and then making her feel comfortable and feeling
Mm.
loved. So for these days of her life, and she's very much thankful. And when she was gone, you also honored her by engaging the local leadership, especially in General Santos City, to honor her life.
Pero yan, when she was not Gama ba, it was
Mm.
easy to mount exhibits. Pero
Uh-huh.
ito I had difficulty because I have to make
Ask
paalam sa Gama ba.
permission. Mhm.
Oo, na parang she already owned by NCCA, by the country, no? So this is the last. Kaya pagkatapos nun, sabi ko, ay, ang hirap-hirap naman na mag
Oh.
exhibit.
Well,
Kahit yung
that's mhm.
mga pictures you have to make paalam.
Mhm. Well, the thing is that we have done works with her way before NCCA documented her. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
Way before she become a Gamaba. Of course, we're pretty much aware of. Ako nga, kahit sabihin ko,
Kung
Fuya Bing,
mag-Google ka, lahat pictures natin yun eh.
yes, almost. Then the ones in the
Mm.
Blaan Mabaltabi, almost. And,
Mhm.
just like inspired by what you do for her, Bing, I have an exhibition right now going on here at the Fernbank is in Atlanta featuring her work. But that is my personal
Mhm.
collection. And I
Uh-huh.
felt that I have the right to, anyway, I've done that since way, way, way back then, na before pa siya naging, it's all part of
Ito naman,
honoring her.
these are all mine. Yung nandyan sa exhibition.
Yes,
Pero ang
yes.
konti, mas marami akong langdulay.
Mm. But konti sa
Mm.
iyo na context. But for all of us, I think ikaw ang mas maraming yabing works, ha?
Major works na sa akin.
Yeah. Na sa kanya kasi
Oo.
ilan lang yung sa akin. Tapos sabi nga ni Carlo,
Yung
project.
mga nakasabit sa likod, yung napakahabang tabi,
Mm.
I think that's a masterpiece.
Yes, it is. It's
Ayun na
really
yun,
big.
oh.
Mhm.
Yan na yung center panel,
Mm.
yung gift niya.
Oo.
Mm.
Ah,
Mm.
okay. beautiful. So it's full of like mine, the one that I have or mine is for Hannah and kay ano naman ginawa na siyang tubular na skirt. Now let's shift. After Fuya Bing, here's another one that we have collaborated. I think you introduced me to Hans Brandeis online before. You mentioned him to me, and then I was able to find him and search him online. Then we became connected sa Facebook. And then at the same time in 2014, aside from the Blaan Mabaltabi Facebook page, I also created the Boat Loots of the Philippines Facebook page because primarily I learned that Hans Brandeis documented one of my lolas in London na si the late Fu, uh, Fu Lombay Julie. So when I saw that, I
Mm.
was like, I need to get to know for this person. And thank you for connecting him to me. And guess this is where is this being? Share more about the how did you meet and where was this meeting?
Well, before textiles, na-attract ako dito sa two string
Mm.
na na instrument na lute, no? So wherever I go, pag magtanong-tanong ako ng two string, ang katabi talagang tanong, have you met Hans Brandeis? Have you met lahat ng mapuntahan mong area? So sabi ko, oy, basically the research on the lute is finished.
Uh-huh.
Kasi meron nang naguna. So I stop,
Mm-hmm.
no? Kasi meron na. So para ano pa, totoo nga naman kung sinimulan ko ngayon, siguro ano lang yun, 1% of
Then dun.
the life's work of, yeah. Ang
Mm.
3 volumes na yung libro nitong mamang ito eh, no? Sa so na-meet ko siya first time dito lang sa Berlin
Berlin.
nung pumunta akong Uppsala sa
Uh-huh.
Sweden because ang last niya yata is na-miss ko siya sa hindi pa ako nagko-collect ng lutes nung yung lute and bamboo
Mm-hmm.
conference ng NCCA sa Tagum.
Mm-hmm.
I was there pero hindi ko siya na-meet, no? Kaya NCCA na ako noon. Na-miss ko siya dun sa conference. Tapos, I think ito kasi si pag 'di ba sa algorithm ng Facebook, I think doon kami nagkita. Pag
Mm-hmm.
nagme-mention ng mga loot-loot na maano siya.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos hindi ko na maalala ang pinaka-circumstance of our meeting. Pero I think sa Facebook yun.
Facebook.
Pero yung to meet him personally, ito yun lang, only day. He was so gracious na I came from Sweden. Then when I landed in Brandenburg, sinundo niya ako. Matandang
Oh.
tao, sinundo niya ako. Tapos nag-train kami to his home. Mabuti na
Mm-hmm.
lang yung home niya from airport, diretso sa isang stasyon lang, then one bus ride. No? So
Oh.
kinaya lang din naman ng matanda. Pero
Oh.
jokes.
And of course,
Tapos, last month lang yata nandito siya, no?
yes. So
With
speaking of
all
that,
this
look,
difficulty
he's
of
in
his
now
lose,
Philippines. Hans
losing
latest
Yeah,
latest
yan. He was examining and scolding me kasi hindi daw proper ang pag-alaga. So, kasi most of them are already dead instruments, no? So, hindi yan siya dahil nasira dyan. Oh, itong Black and White is a work of Doming Maladianon.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm.
So how many you have been with respect to both loots? How many do you have collected?
Sabi ni Hans, the most na nakita niya is the Ramon Ubusan collection.
Busan.
Pero
Okay.
hindi siya impressed because these are siguro pinulot dito, pinulot doon ganyan, no? Tapos sabi niya the next daw na marami itong sa akin.
Mm.
Mm. Incidentally, there's another collector, yung may-ari ng mga Dizon, isang school dito,
Mm-hmm.
kompetensya ng RMMC. Ang may-ari, collector din ng loot. And meron daw siyang mahabang-mahabang Palawan loot. Ganun siya kaseryoso. No?
Wow.
So, ang napasok sa documentation ni Hans,
Mm-hmm.
this is at MSU.
Okay.
Nakaloan yung iba kong loot sa MSU Museum. No?
Oh.
Yan, lahat yan akin yan.
Oh
So,
my
even
God.
itong isa sa yung malapit sa poster na black sa taas niya,
Ah,
that is the Maranao loot, which is very rare.
mm.
Nakita ko sa Aldibin ko, sira na. Pero at least meron akong Maranao.
For how
No?
long
Isa
itong
sa mga
for
dead.
how long itong i-loan mo? For
Ah, loan na walang sulian.
oh my God. Well, about
Oo.
2 years sa Fernbank Museum yung works ni Kuya Bing. And then this
Yung ano,
one,
our National Museum is establishing a museum in Marbella, no?
ah,
And the specialty is Philippine weaves.
kaya yun na
Bago
nga.
ako operahan sa puso, hiningi na yon ng National Museum. Naka-oo naman ako kasi sabi ko, baka pagkatapos ng operasyon din ako magigising. Sabi ko kay
Oo.
Arlo, papuntahin mo sila dito, operahan ako bukas, mag-usap kami. Tapos usap. Sabi ko, sige, inyo na yun. Tapos
Mm.
nagising ako, syempre hindi ko na mabawi. So we're just waiting for the museum to be built. Actually, built na kasi it's the old city hall ng Marbel. And then National Museum is developing it into a regional museum specializing on textiles.
And I think mine will be
Mm.
shipped too. I also said yes to Carlo. Kasi being,
I also said
ano,
yes.
yeah, so much. Yeah, you know naman, you could not say, but yes, I have said yes for some of the collections that I have because those
Well,
one,
sa sobra man yung akin karami, I'm establishing some Lake Cebu an Ikat Museum.
oh,
No?
okay. So
So sa ilalim ng weaving house ni Agustin is a museum. So
okay.
it's a complete experience, no? You see the process and all the ikat traditions of Mindanao. And then
Uh,
upstairs you see how it's done.
okay. We're gonna talk
No?
about that one
And it's
later
going to
on.
be an SLT and a TESDA school.
Test the
Tumawag
school.
na sa akin ng TESDA na
Oh.
mag-establish ng mga training centers with certification from TESDA
We're
and
gonna go
C2.
back to that one later pag yung ano ko yung sa masteral thesis mo.
Mm.
I question dito so that we can end this Sunway. How was your experience witnessing Hans on how he documents all of these things? Makulit,
He's a master class. What he
mabusisi,
does is a master class in research documentation. Ang busi-busisi niya, no?
mabusisi.
Naka-experience. These are his documentation of my works, yung nakita mo kanina, no? Which will be included sa kanyang poster.
Yeah, there's so many
12
of
of my
them.
work, 12 of my loots are documented. Ito. Sa
Yeah.
taas is sa taas is Manobo, sa gitna is Subanen, and sa ilalim is Blaan.
Yeah. And being in
Mm.
this research talagang when on Mindanao, a very big help gid kayo ka sa iyahang research because right after his Davao wherein he spoke at the University of the Philippines that I coordinated
Mm.
with a professor friend Maifel Paluga, then coming to Jensen, sabi niya, Arjo, the home of Bing is like a hotel. And
Ah,
super relaxed kayo siya being niya. Everybody here is so kind. Talagang feeling niya ay talagang nasa first class hotel siya. There's a pool and everything. I can just wake up anytime. I think he felt rested. Dili siya rushed ba? Dili siya
um,
rushed.
gracious din naman siya receiving me in Berlin. So, ganyan naman tayong kultura natin.
Mhm.
No?
So he was very thankful for that one. Daghang kay salamat to you and your family for hosting him for all the stay and everything. Now, let's shift to that. You are such an international person and as I've said that looking at your travels and everything, how has this travel somehow influenced, inspired you to be the person that you are now in, also trying to engage others beyond your comfort zone, to explore the world and then give back in ways you can. So as you are going
Um,
to share that, mag-share ko mga photos from your travels. I think these are some of your younger
um,
years.
Yeah, this is just 10 years ago. I was with a group of students, mga 24
Mm,
for Genesis project. It's a Japan student something youth service ECLAT educational tour for
mm,
10 days. So this is around all of these photos is maliit na town sa Japan called Hino Town.
Mm.
So dito kami iniwan na hindi namin kasama ang mga estudyante. The rest kasama namin yung mga estudyante. We were briefed on the Japanese, what's this? Uh, this was after a year after the Great Tsunami,
Oh.
East Asian earthquake, no, that wiped the coast of Tohoku sa Japan. Recovery pinakita sa Pilipinas how they cope with disaster. So, 'di ba, ang unang-una kong travel kasi talaga is with UP Filipiniana. It's a cultural mission,
Mm.
no? Then ang next kong travel pag uwi ko dito, I went with DTI for a trade mission. So, hindi ako masyadong nagta-travel because of tourism. Now,
Okay.
mostly I'm invited to speak like sa England, in-invite ako to speak on textile. Tapos dito sa Japan, I accompanied the 24 students for exposure on recovery and ano ito, um, disaster risk, kung paano man nila yun inano. Tapos I also did two tours with Teatro Ambahanan sa China for China ASEAN Theater Week, and then another one with um, sa Japan, no? When Julius won, in-invite yung piyesa na sa Japan. Incidentally, si Julius na sa inyo. So I brought another dancer with me in Japan. So that's dance. Another one, meron namang Gerthy Institute um, on dance pa rin, dance curation sa Singapore. Tapos may pinagawa din sa akin na um, ano pa ba yung ginawa na? Lifelong learning in Germany. So,
Mm.
education naman siya, bringing TESDA. Ito
Mm.
yung laag-laag sa the lecture ko sa University London.
Mhm.
Tapos the next one is in Helsinki. Yan yung nag-aral kami sa Sweden,
Mhm.
no? And may three courses eh. First course is linguistics, where we studied language documentation to understand the movement of people in Southeast Asia, no, through
Movement
through
like this,
word
oh.
list.
Movement like this,
Oh,
oh.
ah,
Pasig-Tagalog.
meron yang 2 months early na green pa yung barley. And this was
Ah.
towards fall, yung pauwi na kami.
Aha.
Ah, so may series yan. Tapos merong nasa Norway na kami nung tapos na talaga na hinarvest na yung barley.
Mhm.
Naka-roll na siya.
Mhm.
So, yan siya ang pinakamatagal. That's 2 months residency in University of Uppsala. Yan yung sa Oslo. Pauwi na kami. 3 days
Mhm.
before going home, mikot na kami. Sabi ko, ubusin na natin ng Scandinavia. This one is also in England kung saan pinanganak si Churchill.
Oh.
Estate ito ng mga Churchill. No? So
Oh.
sabi ni Churchill, that is the most beautiful view in all of England, which is very beautiful.
Mhm.
Man-made yan na lake. Tapos may
Oh.
bridge sa gitna.
Tapos ito pa
This one
mga
sa Harry Potter, sa Oxford.
ah,
No? A
ito pa
set nung
another
Harry Potter.
na dance moves. So you are
Oo,
really a
dance,
dancer
dance.
Bing. You're really, where dili gid mawala sa imuha na Bing, no? Karang naagid na siya.
Yung una kong painting, sabi ng mga artist, mananayaw ka, ano? Like, yes, how did you know? So the way you interpret the human body, hindi siya stiff. Hmm.
Mm.
Sa paintings.
Oh, asa Steve
Mm.
ani din hibe oh kamaldita ba oy?
Ah, Siyempre kay that is the the castle of the royal family of Sweden, uh, Drottningholm.
Aha.
Drott is a queen. So this is a queen's palace
Pero
in
nindot kay ning imuha nga robing unsa tawag ani or kanang
yes, ang daming gustong humingi niyan. That's
nice what's
that's
this?
ano, that's Tinggian or Itneg. Tapos
Ah,
ginawang robe. Ang may-ari niyan is a collector.
okay.
Tapos binenta niya sa akin kaya hindi na kasya sa kanya.
So
Si
Bing,
Bailan
kani mga
Haraya, kilala mo siguro yan. Client natin sa Tabi. Hmm.
kani siya Bing mga imuhang mga international exposure. Papaano sila naka-impact sa imuhang approach for your teaching and or mentoring sa mga young artists and or cultural workers? How are you
Ang dami. Ang dami kasi when I travel, ang isa talagang tinitingnan ko, dalawa lang palang tinitingnan ko, church and museums,
Mm.
no? So this influenced my my curatorial work naman, the travels. This one is in Kyoto. Kasama ko yung mga estudyante,
Mm.
no?
So how blessed they are.
Ito naman siya
Mm.
um
Oh, hold on. We're gonna
ito
get.
personal na travel that is
Oh.
in Winter Palace. Ito naman siya with the students, mga student leaders ngayon, ano na ito, mga lawyers, yung nasa likod natin.
Mm.
No? They are selected from all over the Philippines. A few from Luzon, a few from Visayas, a few from uh, NCR and Mindanao.
Mm.
So tig lima-lima, no? So mga 20
Ito
plus na
yan.
students.
Ito
Ang
kanina pa yan.
impact is you always want to go back to the Philippines and siguro promote the cultural materials the way they do abroad. No?
Mm.
Kasi iba talaga sila mag-promote. So promotion lang hindi nasisira. Look at this. This is pristine,
Mm.
no? In China. This is the Winter Palace.
Mm. So
Ganda-ganda.
it's and do you recommend for especially for people not to travel as much as they can and learn other cultures and share? You recommend that if they can,
Uh,
if anyone can.
you get to see your own when you're in another country.
Mm-hmm.
No? So I think may appreciation kang sa iyong kultura when you're there looking at how ito Whitfield lang yan very cultured na, no?
Yeah. But
Mhm.
it's so nice and so amazing. But anyways, I have not traveled as extensively as you are. Na-stuck ko din right now sa hotland. And I really wish being no more. I don't know what's the possibility nga you will be able to come here and stuff. What opportunity
I
that
find
you
me a
can
dialysis, I
see.
can go there. I'm
Yes.
planning to go to Spain this end of the year, and I'm
Mm.
in Bali, no?
Mm.
Kasama na sa buhay yung dialysis.
Kasama na sa buhay ang
Mm.
dialysis. So we'll have to try to
Mm-mm.
navigate on that one. But you really have, you have inspired me na there is more to life than what you just do every day. Now you have explored, looking at all of this, looking at these travels nimo in your lifetime. You will really see that you have done so much in your life. But one of the greatest things that you have accomplished and that I can relate to right now is you having your uh graduation. Congratulations for your
Kaya
masters in culture and art studies and you are
akala
now
ko akala ko
yes.
hindi na mangyayari, no? I started in 2017. I finished my academics in 2019. So 2 years lang,
Mm.
no? Hindi sa pagmamayabang, sa lahat ng subjects ng MA, dalawa lang ang hindi uno. Oo,
Oh,
dalawa lang
no.
hindi uno.
Hala,
May
oy.
GWA, may GWA is 1.09.
Ay my gosh, oy. Being unsa na
Hmm.
unsa na siya Carinio effect na siya kay Carinio ra batang duha. So I can relate so much kaya ako I'm doing postgraduate right now in Harvard University, Harvard Extension School,
Mhm.
right? And so far
Katuwad
I'm
din
getting
lahat.
A's. I'm getting A's.
Oo.
Ang Arjo wala galing naka-A sa UP, naka-A diri sa Harvard. So so
Well, paano nila ako ibagsak? It's my life's work. Ang
yes.
pinag-uusapan.
With speaking of
Mas
your life's
culture and art
work,
studies.
speaking of your life's work, your thesis is the male weavers of Mindanao Ikat, crossing gender and spaces. So we're gonna take more about that one and gender. Like this is now you've talked a whole lot about that and explain about this one, about your thesis and how it all come into place. These different talks that you are doing.
Oh,
Yeah.
yung pinakamababa kong grade, parehong 1.5, ay research. Hindi talaga ako marunong nag-research. No? So, actually, ang aking chapter, ano ba ang methodology? 3.
Usually,
Ang chapter, ang chapter 3 is, ang nilnarrate ko lang lahat ng exhibitions na ginawa natin.
Mhm.
Na um, simula kay Yabing, tapos yung mga iba-iba kong ginawang exhibit sa Davao, sa ano,
Lahat ba
on
electronic copy?
textile na,
Naka-electronic copy sa
ha?
thesis nimo? Can I have an electronic copy of your thesis, MS thesis nimo? Kasi Bing, I will cite your study. I'm invited by Miss Kiara Cox and some Filipino-American organization in South Carolina in October 4th. I will be showcasing my personal collections of Blaan Tabi of Fuya Bing. And I wanted to
Mm-mm.
feature you and the collaboration we did specific to Fuya Bing. So kung masendan ko nimo og electronic copy or a link to your MS thesis, that would be great.
Yeah,
So that
see,
I can
I'll
have
send
it.
to you dalawa. Kasi
Okay.
I submitted to a journal.
Ah,
Hindi pa
okay.
naman nagsagot na, actually it was solicited by the journal after the World ICAT talk in Baguio. So will you submit that to ano? Pero nasa editorial pa. I hope it will get in. It's a
Okay.
prestigious publication. Dalawa 'yon,
But I think
no?
Bing, you have
Ang
set
isa
yourself.
yung
Yeah, I'll gonna get to you on dalawa na publication. But you've set yourself as the first researcher ever to focus on male weavers in the context of Mindanao. I have not heard any.
sabi nila it's unique,
Hmm.
no? So siguro ano, kahit ako rin naman na may male weavers because actually ang dami-dami sa Moro, no? Para sila pa yung parang sa tingin mo babae, lalaki, divide, di ba? Pero ang
Wow.
kanila wala silang problemang weaver. Actually
Oh,
mas may problema ang Blaan at saka ang
Tiboli.
Tiboli.
Uh-huh.
May resistance sa Iranon community, walang resistance. Actually
Talaga?
advanced sila masyadong matagal na may male weaver.
Di ay
In fact
ka.
sa Inol,
Mhm.
merong isang community na all men weavers.
So this is why this
So
slide
this is
I saw it. I hold on. I'm gonna go back. I saw it in one of your presentations. Can you elaborate further? Unsa ni siya nga map?
This is the map of all the Ikat culture in hindi yan all kasi siguro ang na-capture mo hindi pa lumabas yung Maranao, no?
Mm. Yeah, this
Tapos
is
ang
just one of the
updated niyan meron ng Inavo. Ang Inavo
ah.
hindi pa nasusulat.
Mm.
Manubo,
Mm.
no? Tapos dalawa yan hindi pa nasulat eh
Oh.
na So
This is fascinating. I saw that fascinating. Then I also saw this one. So one of the male weavers.
mhm. Muammar is doing our sinablay for
Ah,
the
so this is the
masters niya.
guy. This is the guy that you
Yeah,
mentioned
that's
earlier.
Muammar.
Ah.
Mm.
So Bing, maka-order ka ba ani directly sa iyaha sa for his work?
Yeah, mahirap lang mag-mail siguro. Mahirapan siya mag-mail sa iyo.
Ah, okay ra. Ako ang i-cover ang cost sa shipping. Nagpa-mail. Ang ako ganing mga cultural materials Bing gi-ship ni Joseph Bing. Ah,
Oh.
nagka 12K ang shipping cost.
Mhm.
But those are
Gani man.
kasi naipon na badagan kog mga gi-collect dati mga order na from Taboli sa Lake Cebu and stuff. Yung vest naghihimo ni Fuya Bing sa kay Bernard karon pa intawo na ship din so when Joseph shipped it via FedEx mga around ano Bing mga around 12K. So they shipped it but
Pero
even
magaan lang ito. Ano man lang ito, inol.
yeah. But I wanted,
Mm-mm.
how I wanted to patronize for communities, especially those that really needs to have support, international support. In my way, having something from the work of this person is even like great. So this is just one, and of course we know
Mm-mm.
Soy, and he is a product, of course, of the School of Living Tradition ng Fuibing. Started with
Mhm.
Ampuon, now he moved to Davao del Sur and he started right there. And Fuya
Matanaw.
Bing loves him so much. So I'm happy that he is continuing still. So how is your collaboration with
Off
him?
record, mag-usap tayo mamaya sa issue dyan.
Yes. So but what I mean is that you were able to engage him as well for this exhibition ng male weavers nimo, then this is part of the photos I was able to, some of your engagement, and then these are
Mm-hmm.
also some of those in early days, and then it's one of the photos that I also like saw different one, then
Ito
Carisha
siya,
Agustin.
balik ka doon sa Salgaan.
Mm.
This one, kasi after my heart surgery, nag-open heart ako, hindi na talaga ako maka-move around.
Oh.
So, hindi ko matatapos yung thesis kung hindi ko sila ma-interview together. So, I brought them all to the house of Maria Tudi. So, this is in
Oh.
Maria Tudi's house.
Mm-hmm.
No? So, I did all the interviews there.
Okay.
So, isang weekend kami magkasama ng mga Blaan, ng mga Iranon sa likod, tapos yung mga Tiboli para mabuo ko yung field work na dapat puntahan ko sila sa kanyang bayan-bayan, dinala ko sila diyan. Eh ang ano lang naman ethics lang naman sa research is mayroon kang connection with the community. And I have been working with these people for a long, long, long,
Long
long
time.
time already. Mm.
Yeah. So that is very good to know. So this is Agustin.
Mhm.
And this is like another photo that I found that is like of a male weaver.
Oo,
And
this person died already.
huh?
Oo, na
Really?
disgrasya. Kasama ni Muammar na
Oh
pinsan
my
niya na Weaver din.
God.
Mm-mm.
Imagine that being. Life is very, very unpredictable, no? So this is part
Katabi
of
niya
like,
si Wo.
mhm. So
This
this
one
is,
is this one is the thesis. So
ah,
dito sa right side, that's Agustin and his wife and his sister na estudyante niya. And then you have Soy and the Blaan community,
so
no?
that's
Hanggang sa kay Julie, ang tinuro ng araw. And then, ito kay Muammar, no? Ang mama
ah,
niya, yung katabi ni Julie, tapos yung dalawang babae, sister niyang isang-isa, wife niya, no?
wow. And this is
So,
Carlos.
dinala ko sila, and look at the gawa ni Muammar, parang
Hmm.
mga tulip. This is his
Yeah.
original design, hindi yung traditional.
Wow.
Mm.
I will
Tapos
definitely
yung
check.
hawak ni Soy, ani
Hmm.
Clesen, asawa ni Soy, at saka ni Ma'am Julie is a blue tabby.
Hmm. Contemporary
Mm.
na siya.
Kaya I can ask these weavers to yun nga sabi na pag-usapan natin kanina sa contemporary ikat,
Hmm.
no?
Hmm.
Because they have difficulty except for Muammar na walang difficulty. Pero these two, Soy and Agustin, may difficulty moving around the terrain. No, maraming istorya-istorya. So why don't you just call your weave as contemporary Mindanao Ikat? Kasi very very troublesome na tawagin tabi, troublesome na tawagin tinalak kasi maraming bagahe 'yon, no? Meron silang definition that a tinalak should only be red, white, and black, that it should only be in abaka. No? May pwede na ba natin pag-usapan where to go na itong mga bagay na ito,
Move
no?
forward sa ano. Yeah, this because this is specific to this textile. So yes, yes, you can share. Moving
Yeah,
forward, what
yeah.
would be?
Yun yung direction nito after the thesis. Nasabi
Mhm.
ko, let's explore. Total, you are you are excluded,
Mhm.
no, so to speak, from like ang deal kay ang deal kay Soy is hindi na siya dapat daw maglagay ng mga motifs ni Yabing, no? So mayroon pa sabi na pag may nakita kaming motif ni Lola diyan, panggupitin namin, may dala silang gunting
Oh,
sa
di ay
NCIP. Oo, pero luckily hindi talaga nagdala si Soy ng ano, ang dala ni Soy all new patterns. Nakuha niya naman ang sekreto ng ano ng tabi na it's not only the patterns of of Yabing na pwede. Kasi actually yung mga lumang tabi na dala niya from his ancestors, iba sa crocodile, iba sa composition ni Yabing, mas malalaki,
Mm.
no? So, kung sabi ko, kung mabuhay mo ulit yung mga patterns ng mga
Ancestors.
kanino-ninuan mo, di maganda.
Oo.
Di ba, alam mo na yung patterns ni Yabing, alam mo pa yung patterns na iba. Plus, meron pa siyang mga bagong kanyang
Kanyang, kanyang,
invento.
kanyang
Mm.
own personality. Yeah,
Tapos
that's
sabi
good.
ko,
Mhm.
total ano kayo, parang in-exempt na kayo sa rigidity ng rules. So, try natin ito. So we tried, tinali nila in Amlato, tapos pinadala namin sa Abra para i-dye sa Indigo, and you have the Tabi Mahin or the
I
Blue
think
Tabi.
I think I remember Lamlifo did something with the Malaysian guest, but they did it in
Yes,
cotton until
in
it became
cotton and
blue.
in...
And then it
Mm.
turned out to be blue because there was a visitor before, way back when IPDP is still like part of the program, and Maribeth is the program manager, and they have meeting of minds, kumbaga. But I don't think so if that was also sustained because of the situation
Pero
ng
ano eh,
organization.
very rigid. Nag-ano na sila, nag-form sila council that a tinalak should only be abaka, and tinalak should only be black, red, and white. So here comes Agustin who does green, who does blue, who does violet, who sometimes do it in cotton. No? Sabi ko, if you call it tinalak, it's problematic because they already defined it to be
May
like that. So sabi ko, then call it contemporary Mindanao Ikat because all of these are Ikat anyway.
cut. Yeah,
No,
yeah,
yeah, in the World Ikat conference, sabi ko lahat kayo Ikat. Kahit
yeah.
sa India, ang tawag Ikat, pero ang Ikat tinatawag lang sa Borneo. Sa
Mm-hmm.
Japan, ang tawag Ikat,
Mm-hmm.
no? Pero iba ang
So
tawag sa Japan.
that is a generic term. So no identification to a specific indigenous peoples group. It
Yes,
generic term.
it pertains to a certain technique, which is tying and dyeing before weaving. No,
Mm-hmm.
and that is true to all these male weavers who does who could do away with, sabi nga ng isa sa conference, let's not burden ourselves with tradition. Yeah. Yeah, sabi ko nga sa NCCA, may infrastructure kayo, may pera kayo, then support the Gamaba to maintain the tradition. Because you cannot support all these weavers. Hindi niyo binibigyan ng pera, hindi niyo binibigyan ng grant. Sabi ko, nabubuhay na sila sa demands ng market, which is konti ang demand sa traditional. Kasi alam mo naman ang fashion sumusunod sa trend. 'Di ba? So galit na galit sila doon. Sabi ko, huwag kayo magalit diyan kasi ano 'yan. Um, it's another way to market, 'di ba? And it's another way to make it relevant to the market and to the taste of a lot of people. No, hindi ko sinasabing magpalit na magpunta talaga dyan sa lugar na yan. Pero total, may infrastructure sila of Gama ba? Supporting and master to teach the way it is supposed to be in traditional way. Di, trabaho ng NCCA yun. Sabi
Yeah.
ko, ang trabaho nitong mga weavers na ito, mabuhay. Sabi ko, ang documentation namin sa process, pareho naman. So, di ba hindi makalimutan? Mm.
Yeah. So this is
Ay, yun, yun lang yun siya.
but it's good though that there is this meeting of minds and having these different perspectives. And then as I read nga in one of the, hindi mapatent yung especially mga traditional designs because they are parang collectively ascribed to a particular like community. Hindi siya innovation. Like if
Hindi, at
somebody
saka ano ni Arjo,
Mhm.
ang nakita ko dito na problematic ang mga researcher because hindi sila taga dyan.
uh,
Pero ito sila, like itong pangalawang article na sinulisit sa akin ng World ICAT, ang main author si Soy at saka si Agustin. I wrote it.
oh,
Wala silang ano nun, wala silang sulat. Pero sabi ko, ako lang naman ang tiga-sulat. Ang laman ng knowledge system, sila man ang nanggaling.
sila. Sa
Malay ko,
kanila.
masulat ko ba yun kung hindi nila alam. So, ang kulang na sa kanila is to write it. And they
Aha.
can write it siguro in Laan and in Tiboli. But in
Mhm.
English, hindi. So, nandyan ako to,
Or
to
in
work with them
academic.
as co-author.
Yeah, an
Oh, pero
academic.
ang main author silang dalawa, co-author lang ako.
Yeah.
And this is a work of Barbara.
Yep,
Yung Yeko mo.
this is Kumu Bing.
Mhm.
Then look at that. So I met her way back
Oo.
in 2004, during the time that we
Mhm.
have the Wow Mindanao Expo. At that time,
Mhm.
now na naging gama ba na siya, I'm so happy. South Cotabato is really blessed, ha? Kasi dalawa sila, di ba? Meron pa yung lalaki
Tatlo.
na last tatlo.
Tatlo. Si Rosie Sula,
Ah,
si
yeah,
Barbara
tatlo
Opo.
alive, yeah. So, apat na
Mhm.
kasi silang Dulay was the first one. Then ngayon tatlo sila.
Mhm.
That is great. So this is like
Actually,
part
ang
of the
Suksardian ang marami.
mm, yeah.
Lima na sila sa
Yes.
konti, sa 20.
Yeah, because si Fuya Bing South Cotabato Bulacan, tapos Sarangani si
Lanti,
Estelita,
Labnay.
then Labnay, then tatlo ngayon sa ano, six na sila
O,
including
lima
mga
na.
Dulay. Tatlo right now yung alive sa Tuboli, then lang Dulay
O
six.
kung bilangin mo si sa Mount Sulaiman, which is malapit lang sa atin din, Suksardian man gyapon yan. Kaso lang, bar na siya. Sa bar, marami rin.
Ah. So
No?
it
Hmm.
is amazing that this the tradition is still alive. This is a very much of nice photo, ang saya-saya. Magkano na nga to ngayon, Bing, ang presyo ng kanyang work? I bet nag-skyrocket
Ni
na rin ang price after the Gama Bar.
si Barbara,
Mhm.
nagulat nga ako na kabili ako sa kanya ng Yekumo, 40.
Mm,
Tapos nagtanong ako kay Yegas Bansinger, Yabman.
yeah.
Kay Yabman nagtanong ako, 80 daw. Sabi ko, ay magbarbara na ako, dalawang Yekumo. Na, ano
Mm,
pa, gama ba? Yan minsan ang hindi natin maintindihan. Bakit ang gama ba kaya magbenta ng 40 tapos sila magbenta 80 talaga?
mm. I don't
Di
know as
ba?
well. Not much. I don't have much. Wala akong koleksyon ng tabolit nalak na talagang masasabi kong gawa ng cultural master. The one that I got here, I bought it in one of those, alam mo yung mga textile stores na kung saan-saan
Oh,
siya.
1,000 ang ano nito eh. 1,200 ang meter
Ah.
ng ng gamma ba work.
Mhm. But
1,500,
I'm very
1,500
happy
pa
for
akin.
I'm very happy for the Boli talagang na establish nila yung knalak nila, but also there are so many problems, especially on uh, misappropriation, and then sometimes misrepresentation, especially kari laging mga festival na makita nato nga ano na ba karang wala na sa ang respeto na mawala na. So there's really like a big balance, and anyway, that's a big topic in its totality, but I'm just so happy that you are working directly and closely with all of the gamabas in our region, pretty much. You have done
Ah,
you have curated exhibitions for Sarangani that engages Gamaba Estelita for her works.
mhm. Ang
Fuya
dami.
Bing, you have done that. And then you have this exhibited works of the late Lang Dulay. And now this three Gamaba, si Miss Rosie, the male
Ay,
for the
trabaho na
portrait.
ng NCCA yan. Marami silang pera. Bakit pa ako mag-invest,
But what I mean is
mag-exhibit?
that you are blessed being to have known and worked with them personally on your own initiatives.
Um, they gravitate to me. Siguro mabait akong tao, itsura. No,
Pero
kasi,
maldita.
hindi. Wala silang ano. Ito, magiliw itong, si Barbara.
Yeah, oo.
Mm.
I'm very
Si
happy for
Rosie
you.
lang, meron kaming history ni Rosie.
Yeah. Very, very, very happy, actually. But, I think so of all of the cultural masters or the Gama ba, sa region natin, meron ka ng mga collection. Of course, you cannot have a collection from Miss Rosie because hers is chanting, hindi material cushion
Mm.
on her heritage. Maliban lang kung matuto kang mag-chant rin. that is a
Oo.
that is a different
Pero meron ako kay, chanter din. Kay Caballero sa Hinilawod.
mm.
Binigyan ako ng, ng sulat niya ng kanyang lyrics.
Yeah, but I also saw one of your photos with the male yung brass casting. I forgot his name na yung gamaba.
Si Bundos Para.
Yes. Well, I'm so happy na na-recognize being yung brass because it's also like I think very much endangered kung walang matututo na next and or the younger
Wala na
generation.
sa Blaan eh.
Yeah.
Wala na sa Bagobo.
Yeah. So this is really very much promising being. Now let's go back. Let's gonna end this sharing. Any thoughts from your end being of these collaborations? I for me, I'm very thankful na actually we have done a lot of online collaboration na naana ko diri sa USA rather than when I was still in the Philippines. And your work, Carlos' work, Emmy's work, I'm able to see them online, then I'm very happy na you all have engaged me in ways I can. And especially, I think one of our greatest collaborations was really working on for Fuyabing. And we achieved our goal, and we achieved what we wanted to have her, especially on her latter years in life, and we made her happy. I think of all of our photos, so the three tayo, ito yung aking pinaka-favorite. And then she was having here a breakfast milk at your place, and she is so happy to visit your home. Manghang-mangha siya sa bahay mo na mas marami pa daw siyang mga nakikita na mga cultural materials, mga baskets and stuff na sa community niya ay hindi na naba-value. And sabi niya, bakit itong
Mhm.
lalaki na ito, ang dami-dami niyang mga gagamitan na ganito, hindi niya maiintindihan. Yung mga basket mo, yung mga display and whatsoever, hindi niya bakit mo daw gustong-gusto yan na wala naman daw yang mga value. Bakit gusto mo daw yun sa bahay mo? Bakit ka bumibili ng mga ganyan-ganyan na mga bagay? It is sabi ko, it's to me, it's always my favorite photo ba. So daghang salamat, Bing Bong, salamat. You're always the taha lagi, or
Mm.
the tall person, according to Fuya Bing. She loved you dearly. We could not have done anything really if not because of what we all have started. Lahat-lahat ng mga partners involved, local government, individuals, people that we have mentored along the way, and people, even we have to be thankful for people that even along the way we have fundamental disagreements, and that is part
Yeah.
of the life, that is part of a healthy conversation. But uh, among all of it, Fuyibing could not care less. She does not care about drama. She does not care about what other people are doing. She is just moving on with her life and lived her life. And we treated her just as she is and she was. Fuyibing. We did not treat her as a rock star. We treated her just like how we are treating our own Lola. And the Gamaba is just an extra spice of her life, but that was not her life. For some people, they just know her being the Gamaba. For us, we know her
Mm.
deeper than that. Our bond with her is deeper than that. Even if we don't have any sabihin mong scent, even if wala tayong naging sintimo na napakinabangan, sabihin mo sa whatever that she got, but the blessing that she was to our lives is more than anything. You have you have immersed yourself into the textile beyond the Bla and Tabi, now even exploring to this textiles that's done by the male weavers. So your interests have deepened, and now because of that, ang ato ang works that is from her, we are also committed to give it back to the community. So shout out kay Carlo, ha. Carlo Ebeo, you're all part of it. Bing has committed something, I have committed something, and I think that commitment is for our greater love for the community. So I thought, I hope I'm not losing you, Bing. Hold on. I'm gonna stop. Bing, where are you? I'm gonna pause. It seems like I lost Bing Carino. I maybe naubusan na siya ng battery for his cell phone or his connection. But anyway, as I was just sharing, I'm very thankful for the partnership with Bing and the collaboration with him, and especially the work done with Carlo Beo. Emmy Ingles, with respect to Fuya being on the role for her Gamaba nomination, the popularization of Blaan Tabi in our region, and that ended up to be a national level when Fuya Bing became a Gamaba. And for being, since you are not in here now, napalog na siguro yung mga cellphone, this is my favorite photo, another favorite photo of you and Fuya Bing. Again, bong salamat. And of course, ato ang last photo together in January of 2020 before I left General Santos City back for the USA again. Daghang salamat Bing for hanging out at that time with me and M. Ingles as we visited Fuya Bing for the very last time. So we know that that moment might not happen again, but we are thankful for the time that we have made a commitment to spend with her. So, bong salamat for being the resource person for this as speaker series. The cultural works that I'm also able to do is part of our greater collaboration and inspiration, the common learnings that we have and how we are trying to give back to the community in ways we can, the common passion, the common advocacy. Daghang salamat sa imuhang life Bing. I wish you well, and even despite sa imuhang health na mga challenges at this point, you are not stopping somehow in some of those advocacies that you can still do and or engage others to do. So daghan kaayong salamat Bing. Bong salamat. Thank you for being my ACT International Leadership Speaker Series resource person. Your leadership is really an inspiration, and that you have empowered so many along the way. You might not have noticed in some, not only in your immediate crowd, but beyond borders, you have inspired so many. And salamat for being you, the maldita you, the very brutally honest and frank you that makes you very, very much unique, and the perspectives that you have in life. So from me here in Atlanta, daghan kaayong salamat.